So we are headed out for a day of family fall fun. So we're gonna head to the local dairy farm, we're gonna carve pumpkins, and we're gonna take you guys along. I think we'll take this cutie too.
First stop was some lunch with these cute little guys. Well, they're kind of cute. You'll see why.
So here we are at the corn maze at a local dairy farm here in Augusta, and we are ready to have some fall family fun. It is so cold. It's like the first time this year that it's gotten like under 80 degrees here in Georgia, just in time for November. So we are definitely soaking up the last bit of fall before the holiday season starts. You ready, babe?
I'm ready.
It is just so gorgeous at this dairy farm, and Kevin and I really took the moment to take in how pretty it was.
Goodness, guys, that was so cold but so much fun. There's Connor and Bobby. We had a blast at Steed's Dairy Farm, and it is in Grovetown, Georgia. I'm gonna put a link down below for you guys to check it out. It was so fun. And now Nanny comes home today, so we're gonna go meet her at the airport, and then we're carving pumpkins tonight. Yes, let's get going.
I really love seeing this American flag when we go to the airport, and it was flying high today with all the wind.
So we just picked up Nanny. Say hey. Say hey.
Oh, hey, John.
And we just picked up Vera Jean, which is my cousin, and I love her so much. And we are headed home to carve pumpkins and sing some Reba McEntire and probably eat too much. All right, Nanny, so are you super excited to be home?
I'm very excited. Yes, I am. You know, the saying, there's no place like home. There's no place like home.
Well, we sure missed you.
Next up, it was time to carve pumpkins. This was Bobby's first pumpkin he did all by himself, and he did such a great job.
What you got there, babe?
Oh, this is my pumpkin carving kit.
You're spraying pumpkin all over the kitchen. Reveal! Dear Jean's pumpkin spice! She is so basic! I love it! It's so spice!
What an amazing day with family and friends. We made so many fall memories today that we'll remember forever. Thanks for coming along with us. I hope y'all have a great Halloween and God bless.